In this video, we are going to see fits. Before that, if you want to see this video in Tamil language, link in description. So kindly check it once. Before you see this video, kindly see my previously uploaded videos. Once you see that and come here, you get more knowledge on this concept. Did you know these tolerance limits are based on what? So, I am your Spark. Let's go and watch. So, answer for this question, we need to learn about fits. So, fit is nothing but it is used to mating the two components properly. So, these fits are used in each and every assembled products. For example, for this nut, some fits are used, and for this gear, some fits are used, and in this engine, some fits are used in between piston and cylinder. And in Iron Man movie 2, Iron Man used several fits for suit-up. And during that several arrangement, Iron Man used only 3 fits, that is clearance fit, interference fit and transition fit. We will see this one by one. First, clearance fit. We already see this in positive allowance, but once again I explain it to you. If the shaft diameter is smaller than hole diameter, then it is clearance fit. This clearance fit is mainly created for one part is easily moving or sliding on another part. You can see here, there is a small gap is provided in between this shaft and hole. So this gap gives an easy move to one shaft. And you see here, this gap between maximum limit of hole and minimum limit of shaft is called as maximum clearance. And this gap between minimum limit of hole and maximum limit of shaft is called as minimum clearance. So example for this clearance fits are like slide fit and loose fit. For slide fit, you can see here, this bush is sliding in this shaft. And the same mechanism is used in engine 2. Here, this piston is sliding in this cylinder. For loose fit, you can see here, the shaft is freely rotating in that hole. So like these type of functions in a product that clearance fits are used. Next, interference fit. We already see this in negative allowance, but once again I explain it to you. If the shaft diameter is larger than hole diameter, then it is interference fit. This interference fit is mainly created for one part is tightly fixed on another part. You can see here, there is a small distance in between this shaft and hole. So this distance is for tightly fixed this part in this object. And you can see here, this distance between minimum limit of hole and maximum limit of shaft is called as maximum interference. And this gap between maximum limit of hole and minimum limit of shaft is called as minimum interference. So, example for this interference fits are press fit, driving fit and forced fit. Now we will see this one by one. For press fit, you can see this example. We used some tools like ratchet to twist and lock the bolt in a wheel. And for driving fit, we used some tools like hammer to lock the nail in the board. And for forced fit, you can see this example. Normally this shaft is not easily inserted in this hole. So we need to use heat treatment process. When freezing this shaft gets shrink, and if heat this hole, then this hole got expand. Now these products can be assembled with each other. So like these type of functions in a part of a product, then interference fits are used. Finally, transition fit. In this fit, the shaft diameter is almost equal to the hole diameter. So in transition fit, the shaft diameter may be either bigger or smaller than this hole diameter. That's why it may be either a clearance fit or interference fit. So example for this transition fit is push fit. You can see this figure. In this lock and key mechanism, we just pushed this top in lock mechanism, then it got locked. When these type of products are assembled, transition fits are used. Before we are choose fits to the products, we should know these 3 basic things. That is, application of the product. I mean, what is the operation is going on this application. Second thing, budget of the product. And third one is selection of tolerance value. So, based on these 3, clearance fit, interference fit and transition fit, tolerance values are created. So I hope now you understand how the tolerance values are created for products based on fits. So in this video we covered what is fit and then what is clearance fit, interference fit and transition fit, and what is maximum clearance and minimum clearance, and then maximum interference and minimum interference. So I hope now you understand what it is. So I will continuously upload the videos on mechanical concept. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to like this video. So if you have any doubts, kindly comment it and turn on the bell icon. And don't forget to subscribe our channel.